Hi everyone, it's Kathy. I'm here with another reveal video, and today I'll be sharing the Jingle All the Way stamp set. It is a 4x6 clear stamp set. It comes with 6 images as well as 3 sentiments. And the little elf, he measures about 3 1/4 by 1 1/2. The cluster of 3 bells measures about 1 1/2 by 1 3/4. And the single bell measures about 1 1/2 by 2. And there are those little holly accents and then a bow with bells, and I could actually see making a wreath with those little holly stamps and then adding the bow with the bells on top of that. I do have a card to share with you, and I decided that this stamp set would be perfect to create a sidestep card. I will have a video on how I created that sidestep card, and that video will be posted here on the Whimsy Stamps channel on November 18th. For more inspiration, head on over to the Whimsy Stamps blog. For more information, I'll have all of that linked in the description box below for you. We'd love to have you follow us over on Instagram and join our group over on Facebook. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you've not yet subscribed, we'd love it if you would. And don't forget to ring the bell so you're notified every time a new video is posted. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.